True.
What the dog doing?
Should be fine, I guess. Oh, okay, huh? I guess.
Oh my god. What the dog doing?
Every time when I go take the metro, I like use my credit card for it. It's kind of making me anxious every time when I use my credit card and I have to beep it. I'm really scared to just drop it. So I got a card holder. Went to this like store, which was like so cute. Everything was pink. It had like this little charm. Is that right? Doesn't look right. I think I have to Google how to do this. How to open a card holder. Oh, I have to. Oh, I have to slide this up. Well, that was easy. Thank God I didn't pry it open, but yeah. Let's see. It is that cute. But I was thinking, if I use this like this, I will still have to take out my wallet. I would like to put my desk up here, like there, but this space is like not that wide. And over here, I do not have that much space either. My closet opens up till here, so that's not a lot of space. And also when the door opens, like, there's like not a lot. I'm going to Ikea to get a desk. I really need a desk. As I'm studying, I will need to sit down quite a lot and hours on hours. I want to get a nice desk. But my room is quite small, so I don't know if I'll fit a normal desk into my room. The length is over 1.50 m width. So if I were to get the bigger one, it would go to here. So I would have 80 centimeters for a chair. So I'm going to Ikea now. This is my very simple outfit. Cute. What's that called? Light bulb.